Welcome to a world where every plant has a partner, a buddy system designed by Mother Nature herself. We're peeling back the layers of companion planting, a symphony of growth harmonized in your backyard. Picture tomatoes and basil, the star-crossed lovers of the garden, sharing nutrients, repelling pests, a love story that's as delightful to your senses as to your taste buds. Consider carrots and onions, the dynamic duo warding off root maggots while spicing up your stew. But it's not just about pears. It's a garden party where everyone plays a part. Marigolds ward off nematodes, nasturtiums lure aphids away, and dill rolls out the welcome mat for ladybugs. However, not all plant relationships are ideal. Some plants might monopolize nutrients or overshadow their neighbors. It's about finding the perfect balance, a delicate dance of nature. Join us on this green journey where science meets serendipity, and every plant tells a tale. We'll unlock the secrets of companion planting, transforming your garden into an ecosystem where harmony reigns supreme, and the only drama is the one on your dinner plate. Time to dig in.